What's up guys, it's me here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be checking out some hidden iPhone tricks that you didn't know about. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. Now, if you have an iPhone with Face ID, do you know that you can use it to unlock any app? For example, let me open Spotify right here. Now, by default we have Touch ID, so if I want to unlock this, I have to put my finger on the Touch ID right over here. But what if I didn't want to do that? Well, all I have to do is go to Settings, then I will go to Accessibility. Scroll down and check out this option called App Accessibility. Go inside and toggle on this option called Require Face ID. Once you do that, now when you open any app, it will require a face unlock rather than your fingerprint. So, let me try it out. There you go. As you can see, it says Face ID is required to continue. So, now all I have to do is scan my face and there you go, I'm in. This is not just for you can use it for any app on your phone. So, you can even use it to unlock your banking app. So, now you don't have to worry about entering passwords or using your fingerprints to unlock apps, because you can simply use your face to unlock them. Next, sometimes when you take screenshots on your iPhone, you get this black line at the bottom like this. That's because of this option called Show Camera Preview, which is enabled by default. But what if you wanted to take screenshots without that black line? Well, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is go to Settings, then you will go to Accessibility. Scroll down and check out this option called Display Preferences. Go inside and toggle off this option called Show Camera Preview. Once you do that, whenever you take a screenshot, it won't show you that black line. You can see the difference right here. This is with the black line and this is without it. So, you can use this trick to take better screenshots. Alright, next you can use the control center on your iPhone to control the volume of each and every app separately. Let me show you how to do this. First, swipe down from the right top corner of the screen to open up the control center right here. You can see that when I click on this volume icon, it increases the volume of the entire phone. But what if I wanted to increase the volume of only one app? Well, let me show you how to do this. First, go to Settings, then you will go to Accessibility. Scroll down and check out this option called Audio, Visual and More. Go inside and then scroll down until you find an option called Audio and tap on it. Now right over here, you can see an option called Change Volume by App. Tap on it now. Whenever you swipe the volume up and down button, it will increase or decrease the volume of the currently active application. For example, let me open YouTube right here. And now whenever I swipe this volume button, you can see that it has changed the volume of only YouTube. So, you can use this feature to control the volume of different applications on your iPhone. Now, on an iPhone, you can actually set up two types of alarms: normal alarms and bedtime alarms. Both of them are useful, but they serve different purposes. Let me explain to you how they work and when to use each one. The normal alarm is great for waking you up at a specific time for a specific task. For example, if you want to wake up at 7 a.m. to go to work, you would set a normal alarm for 7 a.m. Normal alarms are also useful for waking you up at a specific time every day or every day of the week. For example, if you want to wake up at 7 a.m. every morning, you would set a normal alarm for 7 a.m. every day. However, normal alarms are not suitable for waking you up at a specific time every night. If you want to wake up at the same time every night, you need to use a bedtime alarm. Bedtime alarms are specifically designed to wake you up during your lightest sleep phase, making it easier for you to wake up. To use a bedtime alarm, go to the clock app and tap on the plus icon in the top right corner. Now, choose whether you want to set a normal alarm or a bedtime alarm. Since we want to set a bedtime alarm, we will select bedtime. Now, enter the time at which you want to wake up, then tap on when to repeat and select every night. Finally, tap on Save. Now, whenever the alarm goes off, you can snooze it from within the Sleep app. Additionally, the Sleep app provides insights into your sleep quality and provides suggestions for improving it. Next, did you know that you can blur contact names on your iPhone? For example, let me dial this number right here. Now, I don't want to reveal the name of the person to whom this number belongs. What I can do is long press on the contact name, and now you can see that the contact name has been blurred automatically. You can see the name right there. Let me turn this around so that you can see it. So, let me turn it back. There you go. You can see the contact name right here. Now, if I tap on this blurred area, it will reveal the name. So, you can use this trick to hide contact names on your iPhone, alright? Now what if you want to clear browsing history on your iPhone? For example, let me open Safari right here and open the first link right here. Now, let's say I want to clear the browsing history of this website. How do I do that? Well, let me show you how to do that. First, go to Settings. Then you will go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down and check out this option called Browser History. Tap on it now. You can clear the browser history of all websites, so if I tap on Clear History, it will clear the browsing history of every website. But what if I wanted to clear the browsing history of a specific website? Well, it's also possible. So tap on All Websites right over here and select the websites from which you want to clear the browsing history. In my case, I will select this website right here. Now, tap on Clear History and there you go. The browsing history of this website has been cleared. Now next, you can use the built-in voice recorder on your iPhone to record a single app. For example, let me open Instagram right here. Now, let's say I want to record a video of this Reels page. How do I do that? Well, all you have to do is open the Voice Memos app on your iPhone and tap on this icon right here. It says Screen Recording. Tap on it now. The iPhone will start recording the screen, so you can now record any app on your iPhone. Once you're done, tap on this icon to stop recording. You can see that it has recorded the screen, and if you want to view it, just tap on it. There you go. You can see the video right here. You can save it, share it, or do whatever you want with it. So, you can use this trick to record any app on your iPhone. Now, on your iPhone, you can set different ringtones for different contacts. For example, let me open the phone app right here. Now, when I call this person, it plays this ringtone. But what if I wanted to change it? Well, it's pretty simple. First, go to Settings. Then you will go to Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down and check out this option called Ringtone and Text Sound. Tap on it now. You can set a ringtone for this contact. You can browse through the available ringtones and select the one you like. You can even add custom ringtones by tapping on Add New Ringtone. Once you're done, the ringtone of this contact has been changed. And when you receive a call from this contact, it will play the new ringtone. So, you can use this trick to set different ringtones for different contacts. So, that's it for today's video. These are some hidden iPhone tricks that you probably didn't know about. If you guys liked this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I will see you guys in the next one.